Good morning, this is Milan Tripura. So once again I'm starting with my blog. So today in this video specifically about my grandmother. She's passed away, so I need to go home right now. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Really, I'm back right now. So I was searching for wallet, so I get confused. Right now I'm back again, so I'm trying to move go home right now. Yeah, I'm just out right now, so I need to go with the bus right now. It's not yet bus. I need to search the bus, and right now I'm just moving to the station. To stop the car is not over here. I'm just getting the car right now. So yeah, finally I'm getting this car, and I'm going to move to the station right now. So finally I reached now. I'm to get out from this car, this auto rickshaw. Hello, Dara. 15. So I need to pay the money. Go check out the wallet right now. Just need to pay the 15 rupees right now. So finally I've reached now. I need to take the bus right now. Just wait 4 minutes. Right now I'm gonna get the bus. And this is the flyover right over here. Take a look, guys. I'm moving. Right now I'm going to the bus station. Yeah. So I almost to get cross right now. This is the bus. There is my bus. This is the sub. Today I'm going to climb this bus. Subroom. So I'll take the place in last. This bench here. Yeah, this place is better, I think. Yeah. The bus right now. This is the first super since in the morning. Yeah. Let me close the windows. It's not comfort here. I need to change the place. Better to go here. This place is better for sitting. Yeah, I'm going to sit right now over here. It's better right now through the windows. You can see the nature. This is the station. So I'm trying to move right now. The bus is too much slow. I think you'll be getting that. This is my home. Let's views. So too slow the bus right now. almost to get across the drop gate. Right over, this is the drop gate. Just reach on the drop gate right now and waiting for the passenger. 1 second, I think so. I can try to get left right now. Yeah. So almost we reached in Burried right now. I think you guys is not listening better because I didn't hear my group today. Just I'm with your phone. I'm just making a vlog. Yeah, I can begin to move the bus. Almost to get for all the people right over here. Few minutes left. The seat. The people are almost to get full. University right over here. Just cross right now. It's feeling awesome today. The weather is getting different. My voice is too much long to speak right over here. It's feel good now if I back the camera is like this better. The wind is to blow through these windows. Yeah, this window. So empty everywhere. This city also empty. I think 100 to travel with the bus from Agartala to the suburb. People used to stay here. They used to collect the tea plants and they are planting and selling and making the initial progress for selling these teas. This is the grounds. Everywhere you can see the guys. Take a look. Everywhere. All the side, this side and this side. It's getting hard to pronounce the words. That's why just can speak proper way. And this is the restaurant, I think so. Yeah, this is the restaurant. Almost to get across the Bistram Conjo. This is the market and the office, you can see guys. Yeah, and this also where, and I guess so this is the station. This is the station right over here. So we get cross again. So yeah, I guess so this is the main supermarket from here, this village, no, from this town, I mean. Because all what is from, I think it's guess from which bus, I don't, from Udaipur I think so, this bus. So yeah, it's also almost to reach to my village, and this is the Udaipur finally we reach. Yeah. So you can see, take a look, but yeah, this is the bridge, Gumiti, the river, the longest river of Tripura. Take a look there, side. You can see the bridge. Check it out. It comes from the Dambut, from the dam, is to supply the water through this Udaipur district. Sini Badam.
Bisa punni sudah. Asa marga. Since I don't have breakfast, I'm gonna do some breakfast right now. I'll just empty smoke. I'm gonna just. कितना रुपया? 10 रुपया अच्छा. So I'll just take this. This is my breakfast today. I'm gonna have right now. Oh shit, man! I'm just put my money. That's my money. So this is a supermarket from here. This is the Mataveri. Like people used to worship the idols here. They just modified the markets. This is the 2023 markets here. They all make the shops right over here. Apart from Bichendomono, mostly you can find the Riang threads from here. The Riangs. सामने नाम है दादा
Tuntia sekarang ditaruh baju. Nah, aku pun man.
Sana apa yang bazar. Nanti kembali. Aste-aste. Yang kia khai mơ yang ba. Cái một số rồi rồi đi. Nó cả lại kerana kena lagi. Yang second yang. Oh Korea, Korea. Apa ya? Yang Korea lebih. Saya cerita di rumah lah. Ada. Saya cerita lagi. Wah, kau halah kurang. Para ay bakura bailan ba? Biar pa muna ba kani? Oi, yang nak kori.
Oh, nangge. Udah bayar kau.
Yes. Kasar kelem rokun ni guys.